in Rayner, Talk Audio TV, 32nd floor of the Palms, in a huge 2-story suite that's $10,000 a night. Now, I'm here with JL Audio. This is Mr. George Jenkins, the silver fox of JL Audio. Better looking than Steve Teresi and eminently more important. And thus notched on the Talk Audio TV camera, thank you, sir. But it is Mr. Teresi here who's been on the receiving end of this here camera many times. Most recently at a cheap hotel in Reading, not nearly as glamorous as here in Las Vegas.
In a rainy morning in the UK, go figure.
Yes, yes. So Steve, tell us about these amplified microsub enclosures, never call them powered.
That's right.
Yes, because that's PMS and how are you? I'm fine! Yeah, okay. So amplified microsub enclosures. The microsubs, very impressive already. Tell us about these.
Right, the Microsub has been one of our best-selling enclosures for a long time now, and if you've ever heard one, you know why. And one of the things that we've often been asked is how can we know and amplify them? So what we finally did is just that. The project's taken about 6 years to come to fruition, and one of the big things that we've worked on is what we're calling the DCD amplifier technology. This has been designed by none other than Bruce Millen, the man who brought you the Slash amplifiers that continue to be held as one of the best-sounding amplifiers that we've ever seen.
Dude.
So what he did was he came up with this direct conversion Class D, or DCD amplifiers.
That's a heck of a thing, that is. I mean, I've got goosebumps. There's no power supply in
No
that?
power supply. It's basically taking the energy from the electrical system and going directly through the amp to the speaker outputs. Now, if you're doing the math in your head, that's really only about 12 volts. And 12 volts into a 4-ohm load is not a hell of a lot of power. So what we've done with these enclosures is we've re-engineered not only a brand new amplifier technology, but we changed the drivers to be ridiculously low impedance drivers. So we get high current and normal voltage, get lots of power. So on the CP108, the amplified version, you're going to get a 250 watt amplifier in there, 500 watts for the 208. The new boys on the block would be the single 10 ported enclosure. That's going to have a 400 watt amp on it. One you can't see here that maybe we'll show you later is the single 12 ported version, which is a brand new model. You can get both amplified or non-amplified. And there's also 2 new sealed enclosures, both featuring the TW1s, a Seal 10 and a Seal 12. Again, you can get it amplified with the 400 watt amp or non-amplified, and you pick the amp of your choice.
That's so JL Audio. Microsub is the name. But we do 10s and 12s now too. Steve, thanks so much. I can't wait to get a go on these. And Radio Steve Teresi, and of course, Mr. George Jenkins here, signing out from the 32nd floor of the Palms. My days. Microsub amplified enclosures.